Hello viewers, this is Ford Focus 1.0 2015. This car came with poor acceleration. When you rev it, it doesn't go more than 2000 PRM. So let's carry on the diagnostic together and see what is the problem. But before we carry on the diagnostic, let me start the car and show you how it behaves. You can see the starting is perfect, but when the check engine light is on, when you see when you press the pedal, you see it's not going more than 2000 PRM. So let's carry on the diagnostic and see what could be the problem. We are having our Hotel Maxi 900. So first we go to diagnostic, we go to VID, auto dictate. Ford standard alone diagnostic. Okay, the VIN number is already there, so we go directly to OK. Now these are all the information of the car: Ford Focus EcoBoost 1.0 liter and the VIN number. You say yes. The car is manual. If yours is automatic, you put automatic. Mine is manual, so I'll take manual. We go to diagnostic and we go to auto scan. So it's scanning now. Let's see the fault we will have, or the fault code that we are going to have. Okay, so we are having the power control module. This should be the fault of the car. The body central module is not really important. This should be the fault of this car. So let's open it and see what we are going to have. We go to read code and we go to this one, retrieve, review, continue. Nation on, yes. So we are having this code P0192, which is the fuel rise pressure sensor circuit low bang 1. So it means that the fuel rise is not supplying sufficient fuel for the car to accelerate to give the normal pressure or boosting to the car. So we are going to replace the rise pressure sensor now and then see if we are going to have some changes. So let's go. Like I said, the car is not going more than, you can see, it's not going more than 2000 PRM. So let's go and replace the sensor and see what we are going to have next. So this is the fuel rise here being supplied by the high pressure pump. The fuel rise of Ford Focus 1.0 is something like this. It looks like this with the pressure sensor at the corner like this. So let me remove it. It is having this switch. You press it. you disconnect the switch, and then you now take off the socket. The sensor is 27 millimeter. Put your 27 millimeter. This is how the sensor looks like. This is the fuel eye pressure sensor. So I'm going to replace it now with this one. Since I'm having most of them, I do so many of these cars, so I'm having so many reserve parts. So I'm going to take off this one and then use it. Hopefully everything is going to be fine. So this is the replacement one. You can see, if you compare both of them, everything is same. So we are going to put it in. Make sure you don't tie it too much. Now we're going to put back our switch. Everything is inside. So let's go now inside and start the car and see what we are going to have. Hopefully everything is going to be fine. So let me clear the Ford coat. Erase coat. So I have erased the coat. So now you can see you don't longer have the code here anymore. You have the BC, the body control module, which is not what brought us here. The main fault has been cleared, so that I can just erase this one also. Okay, everything is gone now. You can see it's blank. So we are going to start the car now, and then press the gas pedal and see what is going to happen. You can see the engine management light is off. So let's press the pedal now and see. You see? So now it's okay. So if you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Also comment. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I will reply. Like I said, I do so many of these Ford cars, so I know more about. Thanks.